Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial. If you are just joining us, kindly subscribe to this channel, share this video, and make sure you turn on your notification bell. And if you have not been following us from the onset, kindly check the comment section to access the link of the past video. So guys, in this tutorial, I will be diving into the Excel software. Then I will be putting you through the overview of Excel one after the other, so you will know where they're located and their names. Yeah, so stay tuned while we dive into the class. Guys, welcome back. I'll be showing you things on Excel, where they are actually located and their explanation. So yeah, right here we have title bar, and this is where the title bar is located. Then we have the ribbon. The entire display here is the ribbon. Now we have the name box, the formula bar. We have the columns, which is the alphabet and the numeric, and the spreadsheet tabs. So let's dive into Microsoft Excel to show you these things. So like I said, this is the title bar. So what is title bar? So title bar is the bar that actually display the name of the document you are currently working on. So let's say you open a new tabs, a new spreadsheet. So at first, it's going to show something like book 1 year, somewhere here. It's going to show something like book 1 year. So once you save that document to the name you choose to save it, it's going to display that name here. So that's why it's called title bar. So, and we also have tabs. So these are the tabs where we have homes, inserts, draw, page layouts, formulas, data, review, and view. We call them tabs. So, and these tabs include ribbon. So once you click each of the tabs, it will display the ribbon. So like this is home, the entire display is the ribbon. If you click insert now, it has its own ribbon and different functionalities. If you click on draw, it also has its own ribbon as well. So today we will be focusing on the home ribbon. So these are the ribbon. So now we have name box. This is the name box here. This particular section here is the name box. So what is the name box? Okay, what is name box? Name box are the box that actually contains or carry the names of each cell in the spreadsheet. So let's say I click on this cell like this to change the name to D19. If I click this one, it will show me A12. If I click this one, it will show me C1. If I click on this, it will show me A3. So that means it's displaying the names of the cells in the spreadsheet. So the next one here is the formula bar. So what is formula bar? Why is it called formula bar? So formula bar display the formulas of the spreadsheet. So you can actually edit this formula from the formula bar. Okay, let's say I write something like this, like name. Let's say John. So it displayed the same thing I actually wrote here in the formula bar. So I can actually edit it through the formula bar. I can add something like this to it and it will edit. So let's say I want to do something like formula, or let's say something like this 50 and 70, and let's calculate it. Let's say I want to do something like sum this column this, then I enter. So if I click on this formula, it will display the formula that I use in calculating the stuffs. So I can actually edit the formula here, or rather I leave it, but it will show me the actual formula I use in calculating this stuff. So that's why it's called the formula bar. So the entire white space you are seeing here is called spreadsheets, electronic spreadsheets. Yeah, it is called electronic spreadsheet. So and we have the columns. Yeah, we have the columns, which is the alphabet part and the numeric part. So we have the ABC and the 1, 2, 3 columns. So this ABC and 1, 2, 3 columns, I'm going to explain what it means for you. And these two columns form the name in a cell. these two columns form a name in a cell. So if I click on this cell now, it's going to combine both the alphabet columns and the numeric columns and form a name. So it means the alphabet columns will give me B, while the numeric column will give me 3. So I have B3. So if you check the name box there, we have B3. If I should click on this one now, I'm on G, and the number is giving me is 10. So if you check, we just trace it from here, this G, and trace it to this point to give you 10. So we have G10. So that is what columns does. And we have spreadsheet tabs, or you can call them status bar. Yeah, so where you can create more sheets. So you can see here we have sheet 1, we have sheet 2. We can actually rename sheets if you want. You can rename. If you right click on it, you can use rename. You can rename the sheet here, something like this. Let's say new name. Let's put something like new name. Yeah, something like that. So you can rename the sheet if you want, or you can create more sheets by clicking on this plus sign. So you can add one more sheet to your spreadsheet. Yeah, so I think that is all for this class. So on our next class, I will be explaining the home ribbon for you, one after the other. So I'll be telling you the functionalities and their works one by one. Stay tuned. Hello guys, thank you for watching our previous tutorial. Kindly subscribe to this channel, share this video, and make sure you turn on your notification bell, because our next class is coming soon.